Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we have got this new cigarette lighter adapter which will convert into 1 to 3 adapters. Okay, so let's unbox it. So this is the packing. Here's the manufacturing, all these things. Okay, scratch and check. I don't know, we'll check it later. So we'll unbox it. Yes. So ambient lighting, smart IC chip, universal 12 to 24 watt car. Okay, any car you can use. We'll take this out. Sure. So here is your user manual with some JCBL accessories. It's a 200 watt and tech support, all these things you have here. This is the manual, we'll keep it to this side. So here, so this is the packing. So this is the main adapter where you just need to put it in your cigarette lighter. So this is the button. Okay, actually this is a button. So here you have a micro C type, like C type adapter charger one over here in this. So we'll take it out. So we'll keep this side. In this you have 3 buttons for these 3 things. So these 3, like, one is converted into 3 cigarette lighters now. Okay, so for example, if you want to have like if you're using some exhaust ambient lighting or something, so you can plug one for the charging, one for the exhaust or ambient light, or one for the dash cam, etc. And in the sides you have this C type charging and the USB, both here one. Okay, so this is JCBL accessories 3-port car charger. You have a very lengthy extension cable here so that you can take it till your back row, and even in there you can install this. So anybody is interested in this can reach out to me. Thank you so much.